So far we have downloaded Zotero, set up a Zotero account, and downloaded a Word plugin. So now we need to sync our Zotero account to the Zotero server, so that way what's going on our device is backed up elsewhere. So the first thing we're going to do is go up to the blue login button, and we're going to log in using the information that of the account we just created. With the password the very simple password we've just created. We're going to log into Zotero. By clicking on your name here, you can actually see any of the resources that you've saved here in your library. I don't have any sources at this time, but in this account, but I need to then save it and sync it to what I have saved on my account here. So if I open Zotero by clicking on the Z, it should pop up as it just did. I'm going to click on the cog wheel and go to Preferences. And the first thing I'm going to do is sync my account. So I'm going to click on the sync button at the top. I have my information already in here. You would put your username that you just created with your password, and you need to make sure that all 4 of these boxes are checked, and then you're going to click OK. Then we're going to go back to Preferences so that we can set up our citation style. We're going to do that by first clicking on Cite. The first page it's going to pull up is a word processors page. It should say that the Microsoft Word add-in is currently installed. If not, you're going to want to install it. And then you're going to click the check mark here for Use Classic Add Citation Dialog. This is going to help you be pretty user-friendly in terms of adding information to your citations. The next thing you're going to do then is click Styles. Zotero is very flexible in terms of what citation styles it makes available to you, and you can actually search for additional citation styles. For any English class, for example, more than likely you're going to use Modern Language Association 7th edition. Other courses may ask you for the American Psychological Association 6th edition or the APA. There's Chicago Manual of Style. So it's really important that you know what your instructor has asked of you in terms of any given assignment. So you're going to click on Modern Language Association 7th for the purposes of what we're doing. Make sure that this box is checked for include URLs of paper articles and references. And then you're going to go ahead and click OK. So now anything that you actually cite will be in MLA 7th edition, and it will be set up for those purposes. Anything that you add or capture here then will be synced to your Zotero server, so that way if you are on another device outside of UHI and you have Zotero downloaded, the information can be taken with you and it will be on that device, assuming that you have it synced.